Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have an epic showdown between two foldable treadmills that will take your home workouts to the next level.
In the left corner, we have the Hccsport treadmill, and in the right corner, we have its competitor, the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill.
Get ready for the ultimate battle of the treadmills.
Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us, the price.
The Hccsport treadmill comes in at $469, while the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill is priced at $369.
So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the Rhythm Fun is the way to go.
But remember, price isn't everything, so let's dive deeper into the features. Both treadmills offer some cool functionalities, but the Hccsport treadmill takes it to the next level with its 3-in-1 functionality. It's not just a treadmill, it's also a desk treadmill and a portable treadmill. You can even remove the desk for office use.
Now that's what I call multitasking. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill offers a wide running belt and a powerful motor. So if you're all about that spacious running area and a motor that can handle your intensity, the Rhythm Fun has got your back.
Let's talk about some standout features. The Hccsport treadmill boasts an incline adjustable design, allowing you to take your workout to new heights. Plus, it has 6 shock absorbers that ensure a smooth and comfortable running experience. Say goodbye to those joint pains.
On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun treadmill can be connected to the iPoofit app via Bluetooth.
You can join course training and even run on more realistic tracks.
It's like having a personal trainer in your pocket.
Now let's discuss design. The Hccsport treadmill is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for small spaces like apartments or dorm rooms. It weighs only 38 kilograms, so you won't need to call your bodybuilder neighbor to help you move it around.
And guess what?
It's foldable too. Just fold it up and tuck it away when you're done. The Rhythm Fun treadmill, on the other hand, arrives fully assembled.
No more struggling with complicated assembly instructions.
Just unfold it and you're ready to go.
Last but not least, let's talk about customer service. Both brands aim to provide satisfactory service, but Rhythm Fun really goes the extra mile.
They're dedicated to providing high-quality treadmills and excellent after-sales service.
So if you ever have any issues, they've got your back. The Hccsport treadmill has received positive reviews for its compact design, smooth running experience, impressive build quality, user-friendly interface, variety of preset programs, and quiet operation.
It is perfect for limited spaces and keeps the user motivated during workouts. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill is praised for its price, features, quiet operation, and convenience for working in an office setting. It has a wide range of speeds, comfortable running surface, and comes with a handheld remote for easy control. Both treadmills have their unique strengths, so weigh your options and choose wisely. And there you have it, folks.
A head-to-head comparison between the Hccsport treadmill and the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your needs and preferences.
Both treadmills have their unique strengths, so weigh your options and choose wisely. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome comparisons like this one.
And as always, stay smart and buy smart.
See you next time!